2015 Leaving Cert Higher Level. Paper 1, question 1. It's a geometric series question. Mary throws a ball from a height of 2 meters and it bounces back up to 3/4 of the original height, or the height of the previous bounce. So this one is going to be 2 multiplied by 3/4, which is 6/4. And this question is fill in the table in fraction form. So 6/4 or 3/2. Again, we multiply 6/4 by 3/4. We're going to get 18/8, which is 18/16, not 18/8, 18/16, 4/4, which is 9/8. 9/8. Multiply 9/8 by 3/4. We're going to get 27/32. That doesn't simplify. 27/32. I'm multiplying 27/32. It's going to give me this height here by 3/4. 3 27s are 81 and 4 32s are 128, and that doesn't simplify either. So that's the table. Part B, find in meters the total vertical distance up and down the ball travelled when it hit the ground for the 5th time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's the terms we've already used. So the vertical distance of this one is 3/2. So it goes up 3/2 and down 3/2 vertically. So we need to double all these numbers, add them together and add 2. So 2, that's the first one, plus twice 3/2 plus 9/8 plus 27/32 plus 81/128. So just calculator use here. Calculator is giving me 10 and 13/64. 10 and 13/64 meters. For the decimal, 10.203. So 10.2 meters as a decimal, but we weren't asked for decimal places or anything here, so you can leave it in fractional form. Part C of this question. If the ball were to continue to bounce indefinitely, so this is a sum to infinity, a bit like the fly jumping across the table and various other questions we've been asked like this, find in meters the total vertical distance it will travel. Well, we can see here from this point it's a sequence that goes up and down, up and down. So it might be easiest to imagine that if we bring this one back to here, our first term will be 2, and then we just have to take away this vertical height of 2 that it doesn't go up to start with. Let's do it that way first. So 2, we have 3/2. So A is equal to 2, and the rest of our terms, A is equal to 2, and the ratio is 3/4. Sum to infinity is equal to A over 1 minus R, which is equal to 2 over 1 minus 3/4. And 2 minus 1 over 3, 2/4 is 8. And we'd have to multiply that by 2, because it's going up and down, which is 16 meters. And then we'd have to take away this part of it that wasn't part of the sequence. So if we take away 2, 14 meters will be our answer. We could also look at our sequence with the 2 here, as it tells us it's term 0 up here, or bounce 0. So we just need that 2 out to the side for a second. We can look at A being 3/2 and R being 3/4. So A over 1 minus R becomes 3/2 over 1/4, which is going to be 4 times 3/2, so that's going to be equal to 6. We'd have to double it to get the up and down part, and then we'd have to bring back in the 2 that we left out at the beginning, which would also give 14 meters. So a couple of different ways to do the last part of this question.